Hold on. If you watch this video, it could make you pretty good money when it comes to recycling metal. Today, we're going to talk about the main ways to know the difference between aluminum, stainless steel, and regular steel. The first thing you're going to do is grab a magnet. Now, aluminum is not going to be magnetic. Stainless is not going to be magnetic. Iron, on the other hand, is going to be magnetic. So let's say you have these two pieces right here that are non-magnetic. The first thing I would do is pick them up. I'm going to notice that this piece of stainless is significantly heavier than this bigger, roughly bigger piece of aluminum. The other giveaway is going to be to grab a grinder. Stainless steel is going to spark whenever you hit it with the grinder. Aluminum is going to cut significantly easier and will not spark when you hit it with the grinder. The other ways to tell is if you see any welding on it, aluminum welds are not going to have any discoloration to them. Stainless steel welds have a lot higher of a chance of having discoloration after it's been heated up. If this helped you out, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more scrap tips.